What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kick It with your boys Loose Fix It. Today we out on the site. I had to go out and measure today. So with me being out on the field, you know, I said let me bring everybody a nice little treat while I'm out here. I just finished up doing these new houses. I just measured the doors in these new houses. So before I run off, go back to the office, I said let me give everybody a nice little treat. You know what I'm saying? I'm out on a construction site, freshly, nice, new built construction site. So let me show y'all what I got for y'all. So I'ma do it up with the big boy. You know I had to bring it out. So I wanted to hit up over here, but I don't think it's no room. I don't think they ready for me over there. That's a nice big. I want to tear that side up over there. I want to hit that mountain in the back. But you know, they doing some work over there. They doing some heavy machinery over there. So I'm gonna come over on this side and take up inside this lot over here. It's a nice little drive a little block over on that side over there behind that gate. I was just over there. These the little complex I was just doing. I did this building already. I did those townhouses and 2 buildings over there. Now I'm doing these ones over here. Just a little insight on my daily life. And I'm getting ready to go rip this fire team out here in this lot, and we're gonna have some fun before I kick out of here, man, before I run back to the office.
Go, let's kick it. Go. Check with Loose Fix It. Talking about that RC life. Go and kick it. Go. Welcome to Loose Fix It. Let's go.
Woohoo! Whoo, she kicking up hella dirt. Whoo, she dirty. Take her down. Can't even see her. Let's see if we could. That's what I was just saying. Can't beat this with a baseball bat, man. What you mean? Oh, well, that's what they made for. See, if you was on my channel, you would have been fixing them yourself. That's what I do. Oh, wow. You talk about the gas cars then. Wow. You see that? Let's try to get up that hill. Woo. She up there. Hold on, we gotta bring the camera up a little bit more for this one. Whoa. Uh-oh, she's stuck on something. Get up there. No, don't flip up. Get up there, baby. There she go.
No problem?
Go ahead.
For my brother.
You can see the video anytime you want on YouTube, man. I'm on YouTube.
No, my brother. That's it.
Ah! She won't get up there. There she go. There she go. That baby's big, yo.
Yeah, that's my brother.
Yeah, look.
Oh, she's YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube. That's what I tell you. You can see anytime you want on YouTube. Come. Let me put it in your phone.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You can see anytime.
Live? Is it live now?
No, live.
Okay.
I do a video, I edit and take it home and put it on YouTube. Yeah, man. You can see anytime you want.
Okay. It's broken.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, man.
All right, man. Man, look how dirty she is already. Wow. We didn't even do nothing yet. Let's take on a run. I didn't want to disturb the guy that was over here on his lunch break. Woo! I had to get that brick out the way. Haha, dude said, this is the perks of working on a construction site. Oh, yes. Let's see what the back of this hill look like. What she coming down on. Ooh. Can we do it? Can we make it up that hill? Can we make it over the hill is the question. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I don't know how she landed over there, but she definitely went up. How she came down. Oh, she landed on her wheels. She ain't playing. Oh. What? Let's take her back around. We're gonna do that one more time. One more time. One more time. Come on, baby. Wow, she ain't getting out of that ditch. All this rocks is, all this is soft, so. Ah. Done dirty me up just now. No, I ain't get behind that again. Let's see what she got. Let's do that jump one more time. Make sure we catch that. Yeah. Whoa, it caught onto that paper. The paper dragged it. Oh, it still landed up. Wow, look at all the dirt inside there. It caught onto that little rag right, that little top right there, whatever that is. Can she get up there? Nah, she just digging in. Man, this thing is like a crawl out here. We ain't get a good jump off that last one. Let's do that one more time. She got caught up the last one. Still landed wheels up. I mean wheels down. Oh, she up this time. Let's get up, let's get up. Whoa! We almost got up. Man, this baby is a beast, yo. Oh, she hit a tree. Uh-oh. I lost her. I hope she ain't fall in the hole. Oh, there she go. That branch stopped that sucker. It's clean. I think she dirty enough for today. Think I got her dirty enough for today. Let me see. Uh-oh, something popped off. Oh, that piece popped out of place. There she go. Little body part just popped out of place. She's still good though. And this one right here is not one that I'll be like, I don't want to mess her up. I don't want to get her dirty. Nah. Next time I bring it out, she gonna still have this dirt on her. Majority of it. All right, man. Uh-oh, she just moved that van. Whoa! She is ripping. She flipped on her back and flipped back up. Nothing. Tell me that thing can't handle a beating. Baby, you can handle a beating, boy. She got enough playtime for today. See, I didn't even see how she run on concrete. Oh yeah, yes I did. Where your handmade, your man-made, your self-made plans at? What? Where your self-made plans? That's what I'm waiting for. Oh. Alright. Oh, she's dirty today. Uh-oh. Oh, man, I think I cracked the frame. Oh. I cracked the frame of her. I don't recall hitting nothing. Oh man, I done cracked the frame of her, but she's still together. Ooh-wee. Baby dirty. I ain't worried about the frame, I'm just put something on it. Take it off and fix it. Oh man, she dirty. Look at them tires. They still standing strong too. I glued them things good this time. Get that leaf up out of there. Look, the whole front frame just cracked. What's up, man? The whole front frame just cracked. Wow, it cracked all the way down. I got an easy fix for that. I'm gonna take it off. And it's only this piece that's the crack. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, that's the fire team right there. All right, man. Oh, forgot. I'm on the site today. So we gonna call this one like that. Yo, this baby rocks, yo. And like I said, when I first got it and it was in the house, it was all brand new, nice and clean. I said, listen, This is the fire team, man. This ain't the big rock. This thing gonna be dirty, man. This is how I used to do the Creighton. The Creighton grew up on that side over there. So if you see the intro of my video, you see the Creighton running down a construction site. That was the same construction site, but it was the other side of the construction site. It was back there, that big building back there. I was behind that building, and I was working, I was measuring that building, and I pulled the Creighton out, and I was like, we're gonna rip. And I let the Creighton rip just like how I did this one. And I had a bash out there with that one. This one right here, whoo, man. Yeah, I didn't mean to crack the body, but you know, I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna definitely fix that, no problem. I'm gonna put that back together. I'm gonna do something with it on the inside to hold it together and throw glue on the outside. Yeah, man. I'll probably give it a little paint job on the outside or something. I don't know. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna put that back together, but it's definitely gonna work. And this thing is a beast right now, man. This thing is a beast. Yo, that hill I was jumping over there was taller than me. That thing was going up the hill. Woo! Yes, man. Yes, man. So we're going to kick out of here with this one. This is the fire team out on a construction site. Bang. Oh, that was good. That was good. I'm glad I brought this one out today. So this is the fire team out on a construction site, bashing. And I'm going to kick out of here for this one. So everybody out there, everybody that's out there, that's showing love to my channel, coming back, showing me love, you know, keeping up with me, keeping up with my videos, keep doing that. I appreciate all you guys. Everybody that's seeing this channel for the first time, man, hit that subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be the first one to see these videos, first one to like these videos, first one to share these videos, and the first one to comment. Because I always say, talk to me, I'll talk back. So until the next run,